Arequipa, often called the White City, stands as a captivating jewel nestled in the southern highlands of Peru. With a rich history dating back centuries, this city boasts a unique blend of colonial architecture, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural surroundings that make it a truly exceptional destination. Founded in 1540 by Spanish conquistadors, Arequipa quickly grew into a vital hub for commerce and culture in the region. Its strategic location between the Andes Mountains and the coastal desert allowed it to flourish as a center for trade, agriculture, and craftsmanship. Over the centuries, the city has preserved its colonial charm, with Baroque churches, ornate monasteries, and picturesque plazas that tell stories of its diverse past. One of the most remarkable features of Arequipa is its architecture, predominantly built from a volcanic stone called sillar. This white volcanic rock gives the city its distinctive appearance, earning it the nickname, the White City. Walking through the historic center, visitors can admire the intricate facades of buildings like the Basilica Cathedral of Arequipa, which stands proudly in the main square. The cathedral's impressive twin bell towers and detailed sculptures exemplify the blend of European influence and local craftsmanship. Arequipa is also home to numerous monasteries and churches that reflect its deep religious history. The Santa Catalina Monastery, for instance, is a city within a city, covering over 20,000 square meters. Founded in 1579, it served as a convent for nuns for centuries and is now a museum and cultural site. Its narrow streets, colorful courtyards, and chapels create a surreal atmosphere that transports visitors back in time. Beyond its architectural marvels, Arequipa offers a vibrant cultural scene. The city hosts lively festivals, such as the Feast of the Lord of Miracles and the anniversary celebrations in August, which feature traditional dances, music, and colorful processions. The local cuisine is equally rich, with specialties like ricotta relleno, spicy stuffed peppers, and chup de camarones, a flavorful shrimp chowder that highlights the region's agricultural bounty. Surrounding Arequipa are some of the most stunning natural landscapes in South America. The nearby Colca Canyon, twice as deep as the Grand Canyon, is a must-visit site renowned for its breathtaking views and as a habitat for the majestic Andean condor. Visitors can trek along its rugged trails, observe indigenous villages, and soak in natural hot springs that provide relaxation after a day of exploration. Another prominent natural feature is the volcanic landscape of the Misti, Chichani, and Picu Picu mountains. These volcanoes dominate the skyline and offer opportunities for adventure tourism, including hiking, climbing, and scenic flights. The Misti volcano, in particular, is considered a symbol of Arequipa and holds both historical and cultural significance for local residents. Arequipa also plays a vital role in Peru's economic landscape. Its economy is driven by agriculture, with crops like sugarcane, corn, and potatoes flourishing in the fertile valleys. The city is also a hub for manufacturing and commerce, serving as a gateway for exports of textiles, crafts, and minerals. Additionally, the growing tourism industry has spurred infrastructure development, welcoming travelers from around the world eager to experience its charm. Education and innovation are also vital components of Arequipa's identity. The city is home to the Universidad Nacional de San Agustín, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Peru. Its academic programs foster local talent and contribute to the city's ongoing development. Arequipa's diverse population reflects a rich tapestry of indigenous, mestizo, and immigrant communities, each adding their unique flavor to the city's cultural fabric. This diversity is evident in local markets, festivals, and daily life, creating a vibrant, inclusive atmosphere that welcomes visitors and residents alike. Environmental challenges, such as water scarcity and urban growth, are ongoing concerns for the city's future. Local authorities and communities work diligently to implement sustainable practices, aiming to preserve Arequipa's natural beauty and historical heritage for future generations. In terms of arts and crafts, Arequipa has a long-standing tradition of textile weaving, pottery, and silverwork. These artisanal products are highly sought after, often sold in bustling markets like the Mercado San Camilo. Visitors can purchase authentic souvenirs and learn about traditional techniques from local artisans. The city's strategic importance continues today, serving as a regional center for transportation, commerce, and cultural exchange. Its airport connects Arequipa with major Peruvian cities and international destinations, facilitating tourism and business. In recent years, Arequipa has also embraced modern developments, including contemporary art galleries, innovative cuisine, and technological initiatives, all while maintaining its historical roots. This balance between tradition and modernity makes Arequipa a dynamic and resilient city. Notably, the city's commitment to preserving its architectural heritage and promoting sustainable tourism has earned it recognition from UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. This status underscores the importance of safeguarding its unique urban landscape and cultural treasures. As we explore Arequipa, it becomes clear that the city is more than just a picturesque destination. It's a living testament to Peru's history, resilience, and vibrant culture. Whether wandering through its ancient streets, gazing at the volcanic peaks, or engaging with its welcoming community, visitors leave with a profound appreciation for this remarkable city. In conclusion, Arequipa exemplifies how history, nature, and human ingenuity intertwine to create a city that honors its past while embracing the future. Its stunning architecture, breathtaking landscapes, and lively traditions make it a must-visit place for anyone eager to experience the diverse spirit of Peru.